Lights out, then the finery. 1,000 jewels on throats, 100 jewels between your teeth. Now call the girls in, their skin and craters like the moon we love like a brother.
Alright guys, it's a little bit windy out here, but it's actually holding up really nicely. And very stable. Really easy to control even in the wind. As you can see the trees behind me. So let's watch it. We can do a little freeze. And it's actually very, you can hold up, you can do some really cool maneuvers that my other drones can't do. As in like get some really nice pitch and then high speed, as we can see that coming back at us. And watch this. Let me show you guys. We're gonna stall it up in the air. It's gonna flip, and then it'll come down. See, it's fighting the wind a little bit, but it's actually pretty stable. Okay, so we're gonna cut the engines now, and then it goes upside down, and then we put the engines back on, and it flies. Whoa! Oh!
So all the cups got broke and shards beneath our feet, but it wasn't my fault. And everyone's competing for love they won't see. Cause what this palace was is release. You'll never see on the screen. Not very pretty, but we sure know how to run things. Live in the ruins of a palace within my dreams. We're on each other's team. We're on each other's team.
Here we go. Ready? On three. 1, 2, 3. Ready? Go. Oh. No, no, no. All right, guys. Just for you guys. Two say. What's three say? 3, go!
Yeah! Yeah, I'm looking. Awesome. Very cool. Yeah, exactly. Look at that, Cam. Your dad's natural.
Okay. I'm sorry. Whoa! Better at flying? Watch this. This is called the throw and fly.
It's your cheat day
like
as
bowling.
well. Can we want some? We never know.
Look at Cam! I forgot to push the trigger. Okay, one more time, Cam. Ready? Watch it. Ready? Ready, Cam? Here we are at the most beautifulest restaurant in the world. It's called Buco de Beppo. It's a little crazy, but it's good food. Let's go. I'm looking forward to this. I'm hungry. Let's go.
In my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. In my words like silent sound and echoed in the wells of silence.
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't see you there.
Look at that, huh? Look at how large that thing is. Look at this brownie bite.
Cheese pizza just for me.
Yeah! Power Ranger. That's what I'm talking about. That's a Power Ranger.
Okay. Oh, sorry.
Welcome to Little Tokyo, my friends. Little Tokyo. Tell them what's up, Jimmy. What's up, Jimmy?
Los Angeles. I haven't been here in a while, but it's pretty cool seeing this place.
Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Little Tokyo. We got all sorts of places around here. All right, guys, we found this dollar sushi because it's 10-year anniversary. We don't know if it's dollar sushi as in like something they just got out of the, they went to the koi pond and whipped something up for $1. So we're gonna put it to the test here. We're gonna see what's going on here. Here we go. Whoa, whoa. Missed the step. It's probably only $1 because it's closed.
I'll call all the ladies out there in the factory. 1,000 jewels on throats, 100 jewels between your teeth. Now call the girls in, their skin and craters like the moon we love like a brother, while it glows through the room. Dancing around the lies we tell, dancing around big eyes as well. Even the comatose, they don't dance and tell. We live in cities you'll never see on the screen. Not very pretty, but we sure.
Look at this. This is a candy store for ninja swords. Oh my goodness, that's a candy store for ninja swords. Yes, ninja swords. Yep, armor bearer. Oh my gosh, look at the Raphaels. Look at the Raphaels. The Wolverines.
The Wolverines. The word
Hey, Macarena. Starbucks time now. Starbucks time. Here we go. Starbucks time. Jimmy, tell us about Starbucks.
Yeah.
Starbucks,
We're on each other's team. We're on each other's team. And you know we're on each other's team.
Hey, just a pile of junk in the dumpsters, but look at this. You couldn't pay me $1,000 to take that thing home. Oh, that's nasty.